you feel about the algorithm changing everything on Instagram? What did it change exactly? Like people's reach? Yeah, I mean, you know, I don't know. You can't really it's like hard to feel a way about it, you know what I mean? Just because it's like, you know, it happens so often that it's just like a given, you know, that it's going to change at some point, and you just gotta kind of like refigure things out, you know. But I will say it is like, you know, it's like tiring, you know, to kind of like have to kind of like refigure out the algorithm, you know, all the time. It gets exhausting for sure, but you know, the algorithm's gonna algorithm, you know. Like can't really be upset about it, you know. How much text do we use? Okay. Okay, so maybe like a maximum of maybe 6 words per line. This has one, two, three, four. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, with Instagram, you've just gotta adapt, you know? Like, just stay up to date with like whatever it is that they're changing, like whatever it is, like new features they're pushing, like, you know, that's all you can do, you know? And just kind of like keep testing stuff until you find something that works, and then once you find something that works, just, you know, repeat and just kind of like ride that wave until you got to deal with the next algorithm update.